What up, yo? I'm sitting here on MSN with Joe, Jewer Joe, or I'm not really sure how to say your name. Joer or whatever. There he is. Really? No way, I want to be a chef. He says, no way, really? I want to be like, yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm filming this. What? Yeah, check out this grinder, man. Look at this. This is shit, dude. Okay, it's, Sharpstone. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a magnetic kitchen lid. Check this out. There's Bud. Oh my god, this shit's all stolen too. Oh, mom. Alright, check this out. Look at the keef in the bottom. Oh my god, check out this keef. Oh my god, look at all that goddamn keef. Oh my god, it's so crazy. There's so much. Oh my god. And I stole this shit out of my car. I just saw it chilling there. I'm like, oh my god, it's a grinder. I stole it. I took that shit. I was like, hell no. It sucks to be this dude. It's got a magnetic lid so it ain't gonna come apart. It's nice, durable, and it's nice, heavy metal.